Here you have a lot of options of what kind of screen do you want to share. You can share your phone if you want, but here you can share the whiteboard, and you put here share, and you have this whiteboard, and everybody can write here. For example, I can make here another whiteboard, and I can make a question. Write your names, and everybody can write if you want. Where you can annotate your stuff. Here you have a button. You can see Sebastian Gallegos is sharing my screen, the whiteboard, and you have the button options. Can you see it? And here in that option, I have the stop share, but you have in your screen the option, and you can put annotate or whiteboard, and you can make everything you want. In my case, I have this option, and I can put this to follow me. You can use this with a black with a whiteboard, or you can use in an article or an image. You can add some stuff. So in this case, JC could be an exercise, and everybody can put the answer if you want.